The following BLTV program is brought to you by O'Flaherty Law. Please enjoy.
Hello, this is Matt with Learn About Law, and today we are here to answer some commonly asked questions about child support payments and taxes. A lot of people wonder if receiving child support payments every month counts as income that they have to pay taxes on, and the answer is no. You do not count child support payments as income. On the flip side of this coin, if you are making monthly child support payments in Wisconsin, you may be thinking that you can count those payments as a deduction when you file your tax return. Again, the answer is no, you cannot. Child support does not count as tax deduction. As far as claiming the child or children as a dependent, there are several options. The parent who has the child most of the time could just claim them. The parents could alternate years claiming them as dependents, or if there is more than one child, each parent could claim one on their tax return. If you have arrears, the state can and will intercept any tax return coming to you and apply it to the back owed child support, so stay up to date on your payments. Thanks for watching. To learn more, check out the article linked below. Be sure to leave any questions you have in the comment section, and subscribe for more legal news daily.
Hi again, this is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law. I hope you enjoyed the video and podcast. If you did, I'd love it if you'd subscribe to our channel. If you need legal help in this or any other area of law, please don't hesitate to reach out to schedule a consultation. Most consultations are free and can be conducted remotely if you'd like. You can email us, book online, or call us at 414-253-2080. That's 414-253-2080. We have many locations for your convenience, and we serve all of Wisconsin. Thanks again for watching.